Question number 1. Difference among the people on cultural basis is known as Option A. Climate diversity. Option B. Cultural diversity. Option C. Racial diversity. Option D. Religion diversity. The correct answer is option B. Cultural diversity. Question number 2. Which one of the given product is cultivated in Ladakh? Option A. Wool. Option B. Maize. Option C. Cotton. Option D. Spices. The correct answer is option A. Wool. Question number 3. The fertile land and humid climate are suited for growing. Option A. Rice. Option B. Maize. Option C. Cereals. Option D. Pulses. The correct answer is option A. Rice. Question number 4. The boat race is an important part of the Dash Festival of Kerala. Option A. Onam. Option D. Pulses. Option C. Eid. Option D. Christmas. The correct answer is option A. Onam. Question number 5. Who wrote travelogue, in which the writer described the lives of Muslims? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B. Indira Gandhi. Option C. Marco Polo. Option D. Ibn Battuta. The correct answer is option D. Ibn Battuta. Question number 6. What is inequality? Option A. A point or way in which people differ. Option B. Difference among people in ways like looks, fashion, etc. Option C. When things are not equal in terms of size and shape. Option D. When people does not have equal resources or opportunities. The correct answer is option D. When people does not have equal resources or opportunities. Question number 7. Indian freedom struggle is an example of Option A. Unity in diversity. Option B. Unity in opinions. Option C. Unity in beliefs. Option D. Unity in power. The correct answer is option A. Unity in diversity. Question number 8. Sarvadharma Samhava is related to Option A. Cultural diversity. Option B. Climate diversity. Option C. Religious diversity. Option D. Racial diversity. The correct answer is option A, cultural diversity. Question number 9. Which language does Samir do speak? Option A, Sanskrit. Option B, Hindi. Option C, Spanish. Option D, English. The correct answer is option B, Hindi. Question number 1. Name the religion which reached Tibet via Ladakh. Option C, cotton. Option B, Hindi. Option C, Buddhism. Option D, Christian. The correct answer is option C, Buddhism.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए आपका दिल से धन्यवाद। ऐसे ही ज्ञानवर्धक वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी तुरंत हमारे इस चैनल लर्न विद ऐप को सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारा मनोबल बढ़ाए रखने के लिए इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। आपको और कौन कौन से टॉपिक पर ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए हमें कमेंट करके बताएं। इस वीडियो को अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड को शेयर करें और देखें किसको कितना नॉलेज है। मिलते हैं हमारे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू।